Welcome to the O'Connor Elder Law channel. I'm your host, Melissa O'Connor. I'm a Florida-based elder law attorney who does estate planning, focusing on long-term care needs, commonly referred to as Medicaid planning, and I do probate, and I do it well. I frequently meet with different clients who arrive because a relative brought them in and they are seeking to update or adjust their estate plan. And when I meet with these clients, many times I have to tell their relative caregivers or their relative drivers or ride that they need to step out into my lobby and wait because I need to speak with my client alone. And when I do that, I don't do that to cause any offense, but it is really to protect the client and their attorney-client relationship, and even to protect the family member from having any allegations in the future that they were unduly influencing their relative. So if you bring your loved one to an estate planning elder law attorney and you are asked to wait outside or wait in the waiting area or the lobby, I just share with you, do not be offended. That is normal, and it is really there to protect both the client and you, in the sense that we would hate for in the future someone to call into question any bequest or gift that might be left to you in an estate plan simply because you were the person that helped drive them to the attorney's office that day. When we meet privately, we're able to ensure that we know what the client's wishes really are, that they have an articulable basis for that wish, that there's no undue influence, that maybe there's a good reason why they leave one relative a little bit more than the other. It could be that that person has given to them, care during their lifetime, or they might have even borrowed money that other people didn't realize that that person had been financially helping to support them in their golden years. And so once certain assets are able to be liquidated upon their passing, they want to make sure that some of that monies go to them to basically, reimburse them and thank them for advancing them some costs. So it's simply not uncommon, and in fact, it's a good practice for attorneys to meet with their client individually to protect the attorney-client privilege and to make sure that one's estate plan is not subject to being disrupted or challenged in the future upon their passing. I hope that this information has been helpful to you. If it has, I ask that you like and share it with others. And as always, if I could be of assistance, feel free to schedule a free strategy session with me at eldermeeting.com. Thanks for joining me.